How's it going, everyone? This is Guide to Everything. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can use Voicemeeter only to play music sounds through your microphone. So the first thing that you want to do is to make sure that you want to navigate through the stereo input one, and then you want to select your microphone. Now, this is normally on the WDM section. In here, I'm using the USB condenser microphone, and from there, let's navigate through the hardware out. Inside this page, you just want to make sure that you are using or selecting the headset or speaker that you are currently using once again. And now this is where it gets tricky because you want to head over to your Windows mixer. So just type mixer right here, select the sound volume mixer. And then for example, we want to play sounds through our browser. So in my case, it's going to be the Opera internet browser, but it's going to be the same thing for something like Spotify or similar applications. In here, you want to navigate through the output device and then select the Voicemeeter input section right here. And basically from there, you want to make sure that the B is enabled. So basically with A and B, there's two functions. With A, you will be able to hear yourself, and with B, people will be able to hear you. So if I turn off the B section on my microphone, you won't actually be able to hear me. But of course, I can still on my microphone. Let's simply test it out. You just want to make sure that the B is turned on this section. And then if we navigate through something like an Opera browser and then play a music, we can then see that right here. And so basically from there, as you can see, it now reads the audio perfectly. So if I play a music right here, people will be able to hear the music through the microphone. And so if you're done using the Voicemeeter application, just head back to the volume mixer, and then you want to select default once more, and it will return to its normal volume output. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow Guide to Everything for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.